morning, everyone. Welcome to 360 IT World. According to the news we presented last week, Printing the World is a 3D printer that you can actually print anything you want. And for the question we have left is, what would you like to print? Also, there are so many people who have shared the answers, so thank you so much for sharing. And today I would like to present you two of the most interesting things that get the highest votes.
Hi, I am Nutcha. If I can have access to a 3D printing, I would like to print glasses which I can put a small camera in it. There are many good points. For example, if someone do something bad to you and there is no one there, you have a vital piece of evidence in a video, and perhaps there is criminal's face in that video too. Other point is, if you have a girlfriend, boyfriend, or even your friends, and you want to record your good memories, you can get a lot of photos or video in natural act of them, because they won't think that you have camera in your glasses. Last point is, when you record video whole time in your glasses camera, you can see what you have done in one day. What did you forget to do, or help you find things that you can't remember where you placed them. On the other hand, the disadvantage is other personality infringement that is illegal. Thank you.
If I could print something out with a 3D printer, I would like to print out artificial parts of bodies like legs, arms, fingers, skin, or even artificial organs like eyes, heart, liver, or bionic ears. I think it's very wonderful if we can print all of our parts and make it functional. I think it will help many disabled or handicapped people a lot. 3D printed artificial parts of body can also be the great breakthrough of medicine and military as well, because it can help disabled soldiers to continue fighting and protecting their country, which was a great benefit indeed of the 3D artificial body parts printing. It also brings many benefits. I mean a lot of sum of money to the company or the country that invented the method of 3D printing, because they can sell the method or the part of body to other countries. But I also think that there is also some disadvantages. For example, if they are used in the military, it would become involved in business. That I mentioned before, that it can bring many benefits to the country. If they sold it to another country, they would use it to support war. So I think that is not so good if we use it in war.
As you can see, the 3D printer can be applied in your daily life in so many ways. For example, it makes your daily life more comfortable. It helps saving time. It helps solving some problems, or even it can create jobs or make money. So overall, I would say if the 3D printer is successful, the world will go to the next generation. Thank you.
Oh,